Good morning! Oh my gosh! It's been a long time since I did a vlog. Mga August, I think it was still August or September. I don't know, I totally forgot. Oh my God! Miguel! Huwag kang maingay muna, Gel. I'm talking to my friends. I don't know what's wrong with Miguel. I think he wants to go out. Wait. I'm gonna check. Baka pinalabas ni Rookie si Maui. Kaya umiiyak si Miguel. Yeah. Kaya pala maingay si Miguel kasi nandun si Maui. Nasa labas si Maui. Nagpa-play and Miguel also wants to play. No. You're done playing na. Daniha. So, oh my gosh guys, how are you all? I miss you all so much, gabi. Naging busy lang lately, that's why I haven't, but I still have some few old vlogs that I needed to edit, so I will be uploading that one, and I'm so sorry guys if that is so late already, but I still wanted to upload that because, I wanted to, kasi nakaka-enjoy to look back those times na, stuff. For personal purposes like na lang din. So, as you've noticed, medyo I got chubbier, diba? Look at my face, I got chubbier. Comment below if I got chubbier, if you think I got chubbier, kasi I feel like I got chubbier. And what's update on me? I think Miguel, I haven't done some vlogging too because I got sick and I wasn't feeling so well, and up to now I still I don't feel so well still. I'm having a ano ba yan tawag yan? Heartburn yun, yung pagkatapos nung 2 consecutive days pala yata yun, kumain kami ng breakfast sa McDo and we had coffee, and grabe ang pait ng coffee sa McDo guys. I don't know, comment below kung sino yung who thinks na yung coffee sa Jollibee at sa McDo is very mapait. Yun, after noon, grabe, hindi na ako makahinga. And I feel like somebody's choking me or something's choking me. So yun. And my sinus got irritated. Yan, grabe. Ang daming pangyayari. And yeah, I'm not busy anymore with the salon. I don't know if you've already watched my video that my old salon place, we have it rented. So, I'm planning to have it here dito sa bahay namin para kasi sayang naman din doon na walang mag-rent tapos ako lang. So, we have it rented and I'm planning dito sa bahay namin. Hopefully, but we'll see. It's not yet fixed, but hopefully. Ayan. So, guys, how are you all? Kumusta na kayo? So, today, maaga kaming umalis kasi hinatid namin sila Sashi and Baba sa school. Tapos, bumili kami ng, flower for Baba kasi feast day nila ngayon. And, hindi siya nagsabi kahapon. Oh my God, si Baba talaga, guys. So, right now, like mga around 10:30, aalis na naman kami to buy food para kay Baba kasi, kailangan nilang magdala ng food kasi nga feast day nila. So, yun lang. So, I already done eating my breakfast and gabi, for the past week na ba, I don't know, 5 days na ba that I've been eating oatmeal only kasi nga, grabe yung acid ko sa tiyan, guys. Gabi. To the point na, hindi ako makahinga. Tapos, hindi yung, masakit yung sikmura ko. Hindi naman ganun. Basta heartburn lang yung feeling na hindi ka makain na, you have, shortness of breath, short, I don't know, basta yun. Yun lang. And then I'm keeping myself from eating yung mga fatty foods kasi nakakalala din yun ng heartburn. Yun lang, grabe. Tapos ganito ako lagi, parang may asthma. So right now it's feeling a little better, but hindi pa talaga siya totally nawala. So I've been eating oatmeal and I also have been not drinking coffee. Yeah, no coffee for I don't know hanggang kailan. Maybe ano na lang, one cup a day lang. Kasi lately din, I've been drinking a lot of coffee. 4 cups of coffee every day. So, maybe, nangyari din ito because of that. So, yan. I've been talking a lot. Tapos, simpleng ano lang, talking lang, it makes me do like this. Grabe. So, yun. So, yun lang muna yung update and hopefully, I will see you later. Bye. Hello guys. So, since it's still early, it is still 9 o'clock and I think we will be leaving mga 10:30 or so kasi we will meet Baba like mga before 12. So, mabilis lang and I think I'll gonna call because we were going to buy pizza sa Alberto. So, I think I'm gonna call in advance sa Alberto's para pipick upin na lang namin yung pizza. And since I still have time, mag-i-edit muna ako konti para may edited videos, may ready na videos na. I already have videos ready for Friday and Monday. So there's 2 videos already ready and it's already uploaded sa YouTube. It's already been scheduled na din. So, I was going to edit some vlog since mabilis lang naman i-edit yung mga vlogs. Ayan, si Pader kumakain ng logaw. Katabi si Miguel. Ay, si Pader. Oh, awas Miguel. Kaupan silang duha. Ayan, so, wow. When I'm wearing these glasses, it makes my cheek more chubbier. I'm going to, yeah, maybe sa angle lang sa light siguro kasi may light dito and then tapos na-emphasize na yung cheek ko. Pero pag if I turn here, hindi naman siya masyadong chubby cheek. Yeah. And look at my face. It is, medyo na guys, medyo okay na yun. And yung mga last week, yung forehead ko as in nag-clear na talaga, grabe. But since I've been using a different shampoo, yun, medyo bumalik dito sa sides. But it's better compared yung sa mga previous videos ko na I've been, having problems dito sa forehead ko. And dito, wala na masyado, guys. Diba? I'm not wearing anything, any foundation or something. I just powdered my face with the Johnson's Baby Powder. Yan. Diba? Medyo okay na. Although, medyo red dyan. Red. But it's okay. At least, wala na yung mga bumps. Tapos, may bagong pimples din ako dito. Maliit lang, but it's okay. Kasi, maliit lang. At least hindi masyadong malaki dito yung talaga dito naka right on your face na pimples dito. So yan, I'm happy with my face. Lately kasi nga hindi na masyado and I'm gonna be showing to you. I don't know if I will be uploading that video first on what I did para at least mag-clear yung face ko. I don't know kung which one yung mauna, but let's just see kung saan yung mauna, guys. We are on our way to get the pizza. I already ordered. Wow, grabe. I already ordered the pizza, so we are just going to pick it up. Yeah, grabe. It's almost 11:30 na. So, bilis lang yun. My money's ready already. Tapos malapit lang din. Grabe, ang init guys. Mga 50 degrees Celsius yata today. Grabe, ang init. Grabe. Here, Alberto. Here's our pizza from Alberto's Pizza. Yan. The flavor that we got is all pepperoni and pizza supreme. And masarap yung pizza nila guys. Mura lang. This one, yung all pepperoni is only 135. Then yung Supreme is 140 and 11 inches na. Medyo malaki na din. Tapos masarap. Yan. Highly recommend. Lunch time! Mais. Grabe. Ang mahal ng mais, 25 pesos. Pero malaki naman siya. Pero yung suki ko, 20 pesos yung sa kanya, pero maliliit yan. Yan, no? Lugi. Dati, 100, but since mahal na lahat, guys, mahal na lahat. Yun, mahal na lahat. Yung gasolina nga, yung diesel is, 49. Almost, konti na lang yung kulang, mag 50 pesos na. Grabe. Ano nang nangyari sa Philippines? Tapos yung gasolina, 54? 54, 55. Gasolina. Grabe. 56? Oh my God, 56. Wala. Grabe, 56. Oh my God. Wala na tayong kakainin. Inom na lang tayo ng gasolina. So we're home, guys, and I'm just going to feed Maui. Dala-dala ko na yung foodie ni Maui. Food pala ni Maui, guys, is rice and chicken breast and chicken liver and a little yung ground na eggshells for calcium. Ayan, he is so excited. You wanna eat, Maui? Maui! Maui! There's Maui! Tapos meron na pala silang fence dito para free na lang sila, hindi na nakatali si Maui. Yan. Hi! Wow! Delicioso! This one from Lipton, guys, and this is the Lipton 3-in-1 Milk Tea Creamy Classic. I think may tatlong variety nito. Basta yeah, may vanilla something, and I think meron din yung yung green, yung pahaba yung itsura niya, hindi ganito, but I've tried that one and that one was so sweet. And I don't know with this one, hopefully hindi siya masyadong matamis kasi I don't want my milk tea to be matamis. I really miss drinking milk tea, but wala tayong ready to drink milk tea, so yan. So it says for cold drink add 60 ml hot water, so yan, here's my, tapos lalagyan ko na lang siya ng ice later. So now let's taste test the milk tea. Konti lang yung yung tubig tsaka may ice. So here we go. Good. Does it taste anything? I feel like naparami yung tubig, pero konti lang naman yung tubig. I don't know, but medyo matamis. I want it to be less sweeter. And I could hardly taste the tea. Mas maganda sana siguro kung kulang. Konti lang yung tubig, or but if konti lang din yung tubig, then mas matamis siya. Sana walang yung walang sugar or something. Dapat lang, tea tsaka milk. Yan. I really miss drinking milk tea yung sa yung royal milk tea. Yan, but I don't have a choice. I think I saw some milk tea sa SM Seaside, pero ang mahal. Grabe, ang mahal. 300 pesos. Yeah, for just a milk tea. So, kakagising ko lang, guys. I took a nap like I think mga 1 hour lang kasi it was like 3:30. Yeah, I think 3:30 yun. Oh. Most definitely 3:30 ako natulog. So, nagising ako kasi Rookie is leaving para kunin yung mga bata, and nandoon si Miguel sa labas. And I saw that may nagpupo si Miguel. Oh, you can see me, guys. Sorry. Nagpupo si Miguel, so Kinuha ko na din yung pupo niya, tinapon ko na, and then I find out na ang dami nilang, what's that called? Ang dami nilang wiwi. So I'm gonna clean their wiwi kasi baka pag when it dries up, most definitely babaho yung wiwi nila. Ayan sila. Look what happened here. Ano ba itong ginawa ni mother dito? Supposedly kay baba to eh. Ano, they were asked to bring flowers to school this today, but ayaw niya nito. So, sino yung ano nasa basket? Tapos anong ginawa ni mother? Ang kalat. Oh my gosh, ang kalat-kalat. Grabe. Ang init, guys. Kakaligo ko lang. Grabe. And pinapawisan ako. Can you see that? Look at my face. Grabe, ang init today. I don't know. Ano, today parang uulan na naman. And hindi naman natuloy yung ulan. Kaya ang init. It is so humid. Grabe, I don't know what's wrong with Philippines. Pero ang init talaga. Grabe. So, hindi talaga pwede na hindi maligo paggabi. For me, at least for me. Kasi ang init, hindi ko kaya, hindi ako makakatulog. So, yan. So, gabi na guys. Tingnan nyo sa labas. And, mag-good night na din ako. Kasi it's another day tomorrow and gonna wake up early tomorrow na naman. So, I hope you had a wonderful day today as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So, thank you so much for watching, friends. And I hope to see you on my next video. Love you.